Blma synchronized CNC press brake, suitable for high precision and high efficiency bending processing of various workpieces. DA53T system with 2D editing function, easy to bend. Higher parameters and configuration design, more suitable for high-end customer needs. French brand Schneider electrical components, stable performance. Using multi-die for different thickness, economic and convenient. Precision fast clamping device, mode change is convenient and fast. Reduce work intensity, improve production efficiency. Auxiliary pre-bending support material, provide auxiliary guarantee for your processing efficiency and bending accuracy. Bench deflection compensation for higher accuracy and stability. Precise and stable back gauge system. Mechanical servo drive system, ball screw drive, high dynamic performance. Multi-stage gear design, increase the positioning range, excellent value for money. The main motor is equipped with Siemens motor as standard to reduce maintenance costs. The equipment uses a German Rexroth electro-hydraulic proportional valve and Spanish grade grating roller to achieve accurate closed-loop control.